Hey, my name is Nikki. Today I'm gonna show you how you can paint this Monstera leaf with watercolors. I use a sheet of 140-pound cotton watercolor paper. But before I start painting, let's make a quick sketch. I start with a guideline and then I draw a teardrop shape. Out of that, I draw a heart shape. Then I erase the guidelines. Then I draw in the gaps on the sides that are typical for Monstera leaves. I add a few veins and that basically is my sketch. The colors I use today are Sap Green Deep and Indigo. I mix them together so that I get a darker green color. I split my color mixture in two parts. To one part I add a lot of water, so that I can start with a very light wash first. Before I start painting, I tape down the paper with some washi tape so that it won't move around. And then I just need some round brushes for this painting. Enough talking, so let's get started. I use the light wash to paint the first part. I will paint in smaller sections so that I can add more pigment before the paper starts to dry. I paint only up to the first vein. I want the paper to be nice and wet. Now I add the opaque version of my mixture to the left side and to the inside of the leaf. I add a bit of indigo directly from the pan to the outer corners. Then I let everything dry and start with the next part on the opposite side. I leave some white space and start again with a light wash. And also on this side, I paint only the upper part up to the vein. I had a bit too much paint on my brush, so I drip it on my tissue and absorb the excess paint. Then I add some opaque paint to the left and the right side as long as the paper is still wet. And I add some opaque indigo again right into the outer corners. If everything is dry, I start with the next section. I leave some white space for the vein and start again with my light wash. And that's basically how I do it with all the other parts too. If I'm done with that and everything is dry, I fill in the white space of the veins with the light version of my color mixture. And that's it. The Monstera leaf painting is finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!